Hey, what's up, Jeff? Quick demo video for you for your MPP. This is by 89 Sabers, and I just got this done today. So I want to go over it with you real quick and hopefully get this out in the mail tomorrow. This is installed with the Proffie V2 that you'll see in a second. CCSabers LEDs in there, actually these are the ones you provided me. They are super deep down into the blade socket. There was a hole in the core that I retapped for an 8/32, and I used that for a PCB retention screw, and I just wanted to give you plenty of blade depth. Plus, I needed to get plenty of depth past your blade retention screws, and you've got two of them. So you've got one right here, and then another one right here. So these two flathead screws, those are your blade retention screws. Okay. Got your bubble card on here. I put this on with a little bit of E6000 so it stayed in place. And then how you want to get to everything is you just want to open up the handle like this. Put your grips on with a grip guide so everything is good there. We'll slide this off. And here's your chassis. Okay. Yeah. So here's your Proffie board. Snap fit down into the shelf. So you will need to pop it up to get to your SD card and then snap it back down. But I put all of your fonts on here that you sent me and a copy of your config files also on the SD card. You do have a 28mm Smugglers Outpost Elite speaker in this one, and then this is a removable battery setup. So spring sides your negative and your spring sides down here. This chassis is made to hold a 21700. I gotta find it. There it is. So it's a little bit bigger of a battery. I'll be sending this battery with your Saber, and you get a lot more runtime out of it. So hopefully that's something that you like. So we'll throw a battery in this guy.
Only one is here. The Force is with him.
Super loud. This slides right over. And then lock this down into place. Got a good smooth swing. Motion activated. Twist off, and then it's a 2-button setup. So this silver greebly is your power. And then this black guy down here is your auxiliary. You also get a little bit of shine on this plastic red wire here. So this is just a greebly that all of these are greeblies that come with the kit that I put in here for you. But when you turn the Saber on, you can see that shine right there. So that's pretty cool. We'll turn that off and we'll back these screws out and put a blade in it. Now this isn't going to fit my larger blade because these 89 Sabers blade sockets are pretty tight, but this will fit my small test blade, and that's all we need really to go over the functionality. Now if you wanted to, you could leave one of these out, and then you could just use one for blade retention. You don't need to use both of them if that takes up too much of your time. Okay? Just want to make sure I got it connected. Yeah. So for the sake of this demo anyway, I'm just going to tighten one down. And we'll turn it on. Tap for blaster deflex. Blade lock up till you pull away. We'll go to the next sound font.
The Dark Saber.
You got several different variations of Vader on here through Kyberphonics' father sound font that you sent me. He's got, ANH, ROTJ, ESB, Rogue One, they're all on here.
Thanks.
This is the new Evil Fool by Jesse. This thing is super loud and it sounds really good. one of 2 soundtracks that come with it. The tragedy.
Darth Plagueis the Wise.
And then Tusken Slayer. And we'll take the blade out. I did leave all the stock sound fonts on here for you as well, but who cares about those when you have all these cool ones on here. This is a Kyberphonic loaded up saber, so all these sound fonts are really cool. I'm gonna leave these blade retention screws out like this, and then we'll go over taking the battery out. Now the 21700 battery is pretty tight in here, so you probably won't be able to get it out with your finger. Yeah, you're going to need a tool. So I just use something like this, like the flat end of a pair of tweezers. And you could pop your battery out just like that from the positive side. And that is your saber. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, like I said, I'll try to get this out in the mail to you tomorrow. Thanks, man.